Hey filmmakers, Chung Dha here. In this video, we're going to show you how to legally get an aerial shot indoors and also at no-fly zones. Even though drones are nowadays quite inexpensive, however, the rules or laws are actually getting more and more stricter, making it more difficult to do like an aerial shot indoors and at no-fly zones. A few years ago, I showed you guys how to fake a drone shot with a 5-meter boom pole with a smartphone. However, this time I'm pushing the limit with the iSky Ultra 7-meter boom pole from Fotopro. Because there is no law about how long your monopod can be, I can actually use this at quite a lot of locations without any issues. However, there are sometimes some security guards that are afraid of you getting people hurt, but they would just say you to use it at a less longer length. Even standing next to police, I can actually still use it because there is no law about how long your monopod can be. And because it's not a drone, you don't have to follow any of the drone rules. A setup that I tried is using the GoPro Hero 7 Black on a GoPro gimbal on the 7-meter boom pole. However, the downside is that it doesn't hold the horizon that well and it doesn't seem as steady as it should be, because it seems that the Hyper Smooth does not play well with a gimbal. So my preferred setup is still using a smartphone gimbal like the Zion Smooth 4, as it keeps the setup quite lightweight, so I can easily pull the whole setup up into the air to get that high up angle shot. However, the Fotopro iSky Ultra cannot handle heavier loads like a mirrorless camera with a gimbal. However, you can use smaller monopods or booms that has a higher load capacity. However, most of them that can handle the weight are often shorter than 3 meters. The biggest drawback with the Fotopro iSky Ultra is that it's still very big when it's collapsed, so it makes it quite difficult to travel with. However, this is a very specific gear for a very specific job. This is mainly to get an aerial shot at locations where it's not legally to fly a drone, nor it's possible to get a shot without this gear. The biggest annoyance that I have with this setup that I will often hear people shout, "Hey, what a big selfie stick!" However, you will get used to it over time. I'll keep you guys updated if I find anything that is more travel friendly and also give me enough reach. But if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye!